Welcome back to Some Auto Parts. Today I'm going to introducing our latest project, the Defender 90 OCTA Wide Body Kits. Designed specifically for Defender 90 from 2020 to 2026. So these body kits help the car make more wider, more stronger and more aggressive appearance to inspire you after driving few years. So in these videos, I'm going to show you guys which parts included in the package. So follow my videos, let's start it. First of all, let's check the front bumper. All the parts you received should be the different pieces, so you need to assemble everything after you receive the package. So you will find it's a primer color, and you need to assemble the front grille, the up grille, down bumper grille to assemble it to the front bumper bracket. Everything assembled, then you need to fix on the car to check if everything is fine before painting. The most important part of this body kit is wide wheel edge. This OCTA style is a signature style of this body kit, and we will find come two pieces of the parts, and you need to paint. This is gloss black, and this wheel edge you need to paint same as the color body. So there will be different colors for this wheel edge after you paint. By the way, we have two options for the accessories, which is glossy and also offer the carbon fiber ones. So if you want OCTA style carbon fiber parts, you can check with our sales team for more information. The difference between OCTA 110 and OCTA 90, there's difference for the side skirt. So for Defender 90, it's coming only two pieces one side of this side skirt. For the rear bumper, there's one thing need to be noticed, that's the exhaust pipe. When you fix the car, you need to cut the factory ones to fix the tips. So that will be easy to make the car looks more powerful and aggressive after you fix the OCTA style rear bumper. This is our complete Defender 90 OCTA body kits. And in our next videos, we are going to make installation process and the important thing need to be careful before the fitment. So stay tuned and see you next week. Bye bye.